Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I hope you all are doing great in your lives. So today we are gonna talk about Rani Lakshmi Bai. Her name was Manikarnika. उनके घर में उन्हें सब प्यार से मनु कहा करते थे। रानी को पढ़ना लिखना बहुत पसंद था। मीन्स शी was very intelligent and obedient child. She was born on 19th November 1828 in Varanasi in a Marathi Karhade Brahmin family. I'm sorry if I pronounced something wrong. उनके फादर का नाम मोरूपांत तांबे और उनकी माँ का नाम भागीरथी सापरे था। भागीरथी बाई रानी की माँ की डेथ हो गई थी जब वो सिर्फ 4 साल की थी। अब रानी की सारी देखभाल जो थी वो उनके फादर करते। उनके फादर ने उन्हें बहुत अच्छे से पढ़ाया लिखाया। उन्हें तलवार चलाना, हॉर्स राइडिंग कराना, मतलब जो चीजें बैटल में एक किंग को आनी चाहिए वो सब सिखाई। बचपन की उम्र में शी वॉज अ ग्रेट फाइटर। She was 14 years old when she got married to the king of Jhansi. उनका नेम गंगाधर राव था। She got married in 1842. Maharashtrian culture के according she was named after the marriage, and from here onwards the story begins of Maharani Lakshmi Bai of Jhansi, यानी झांसी की रानी। After marriage in 1851 उनका एक बेटा हुआ। गंगाधर राव जो थे वो इस बात से बहुत खुश हुए, लेकिन ये खुशी ज्यादा टाइम तक नहीं टिक पाई। Only after 4 months the son was dead. I'm sorry मैंने मेंशन नहीं करा, पर उनके बेटे का नाम था दामोदर राव। लेकिन ये न्यूज़ सुनने के बाद गंगाधर राव was in shock. He was very depressed. He wanted to adopt a son, so they decided to adopt one. उन्होंने अपने किसी रिलेटिव के बच्चे को अडॉप्ट करा। उसका नाम रखा आनंद राव। पर गंगाधर राव की हेल्थ बहुत वर्स हो गई थी। In 1853 he was dead. एंड लेटर ऑन उनके बेटे का नाम आनंद राव से दामोदर राव रख दिया गया। ओके, सो वी ऑल नो Lakshmi Bai was very intelligent. She knew everything about how a kingdom runs. I mean, managing the taxes. She knew the business and she was very smart. उस टाइम के जो गवर्नर जनरल थे, he was Lord Dalhousie. So she filed a petition to Lord Dalhousie to accept her son as the next king of Jhansi, as he was adopted son, but he rejected it cause Lord Dalhousie wanted कि झांसी पर Britishers rule करें. Rani did not wanted this to happen, and the people of Jhansi, the Praja was in support of Jhansi की रानी. उन्होंने अपने मिनिस्टर्स को मीन्स मंत्री को लंदन भेजा था to resolve this issue, but nothing happened. Now the British rule was against Rani. They wanted her to give her throne to Britishers. But Rani won't give up. One day a news came that Delhi was captured by Britishers and King of Delhi has been imprisoned. Rani knew the Britishers' next target would be her. So she started to prepare her kingdom for a battle. Even the ladies of the kingdom learned to fight. On 25th March 1858, Britishers attacked on Jhansi. ये बैटल लगातार 5 दिनों के लिए चला। Before the battle started, रानी ने तात्या तोपे से कुछ आर्मी मांगी थी इस बैटल के लिए, but they could not make it. She was very brave. She won't give up. और अब ब्रिटिश सेना किले के अंदर एंटर कर चुकी थी, and then रानी decided not to surrender but fought with the soldiers. When she joined the battleground, Britishers were shocked. They never expected the queen to have a fight like this. All this time, she carried her son while fighting. British army bought more soldiers. Now she knew she could not make it, so she decided to run. At midnight, she left the fort with her son and reached Rao Saab's camp at Kalpi. Lakshmi Bai asked for help to Rao Saab, and they both took their army towards Konch, and the battle begins, but Rao Saab was defeated. Then Rani decided to ask for help to the Nawab Saab of Banda. रानी शेरनी की तरह लड़ रही थी, but here again Britishers won. On 24th May 1858, Kalpi Fort was captured by Britishers. Then she asked the king of Gwalior to attack Britishers. Okay, so here we know every king in India wanted Britishers to leave. Now Britishers attacked Gwalior. Rani was brutally injured in this battle. Rao Saab and other soldiers took Rani to a safe place. Last words Rani said was some stanza from Bhagavad Gita, जो उन्होंने बचपन में सीखे थे. No one exactly know the words as she was murmuring a lot. On 18th June of 1858, Rani Lakshmi Bai was dead. She was only 29 years old when she was dead. She was very brave. अपने बेटे को पीठ से बांधना और बैटल लड़ना तो किसी के बस की बात नहीं. मैं बस इतना कहूंगी कि हमारे देश की हर बेटी को रानी लक्ष्मीबाई जैसे संस्कार, उनकी जैसी हिम्मत की ज़रूरत है. सो गाइस, ये मेरी पहली वीडियो है. इट टुक अ लॉट ऑफ एफर्ट्स. प्लीज़ show some support and please like, subscribe and comment if you all like it or not. If you have any views or your POV, please share it to me. I'll work on my video. ओके, हमारी रानी के लिए मैं बस इतना कहूंगी कि खूब लड़ी मर्दानी थी वो, झांसी वाली रानी थी.